Hi there, and welcome to the Mobile School Playground. Today we'll talk about the food triangle, a do-it-yourself game which will allow you to discuss and reflect with the children about our own food consumption. What do you need to make this game? Very easy, you just need a Mobile School discussion panel and you will attach the food triangle do-it-yourself game to it. Then you're ready to go and you're ready to play. So let's have a look at the food triangle. At the top of the panel, we'll see that there's a glass of water, since it's the best choice of drink. Research shows that you need to drink at least 2 liters of water each day. So it's very important to consume high amounts of water if possible. If we move downwards in the panel, you can see that there are 3 different colors based on the favorable effect of specific ingredients or foods on your health. So let's have a look. Here you will see a plus and you will see a dark green level. These are the foods derived from plants which have a favorable effect on your health. You'll see vegetables over here, you see fruits, you see potatoes, you see whole grains and stuff like that. So all these ingredients, all these foods you can consume in high amounts because they have a favorable effect on your health. If we move downwards, we see that there's a light green level as well. These are foods with a favorable or neutral effect on your health, but you should consume them in lower quantity than the ones that are in dark green. In this level, you can see, for example, there's fish, there are eggs, there's poultry, there's yogurt, and there's cheese. And then below, you can see that the green color switches into orange, and these are the foods that can have an unfavorable effect on your health if they are consumed in high amounts, such as, for example, red meat and butter, or different kind of oils, for example. You will see that below the triangle, there's also a red circle with a sad face. These are the highly processed foods which contain a lot of added sugars, salt and fat. So you should try to avoid these kind of things, or when you consume them, it's preferably consumed in low quantities or very rarely. So these have an unfavorable effect on your health, of course. So this triangle offers like an overview on different foods and food consumption. So feel free to use your creativity, do some role plays, do some creative activities with this panel so that you can discuss and reflect with the children about this very important topic. I hope you take the food triangle with you on the streets, have fun with the kids, and we hope to see you very soon.